Found your favorite fashion items on Yupoo but don't know how to buy them? Here is a simple step-by-step guide to order through CNfans agent in 2025. Browse Yupoo. Go to the seller's Yupoo album link. Browse through the images and pick the items you want. Take note of the album and screenshot. Then go to CNfans and log in or register. Then message their support on WhatsApp or their website chat. Submit your order. Send them the Yupoo link, screenshots, and item details like color, size, and quantity. They will reply with availability, pricing, and shipping options. Step 4, make payment. Once confirmed, you will be asked to pay via Wise, PayPal, or another method. After payment, CN fans will purchase and ship the product to your address. That's how you buy from Yupoo using CN fans safely. Like and subscribe for more buying guides and tips.